Chapter 2. Diversity in Society. Important points. Students, we are going to learn following points in this chapter. Diversity is our strength. The principle of secularism. The contribution of society to our development. Regulation of society. Introduction. There are many languages, religions, cultures, customs and traditions in Indian society. India has rich and varied heritage. This diversity is a mark of our rich cultural heritage. We live among people who speak different languages such as Marathi, Kannada, Telugu, Bengali, Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu. You also might have friends who know different languages, right? They celebrate their festivals and cultural events in different ways. Also, there is variety in their dress and eating habit. Their modes of worship are also different. Our country consists of regions with different historical legacies where this diversity is shared and celebrated. As all these different communities in our country have lived together for many years, a feeling of oneness has developed among them. This feeling of oneness leads to unity in Indian society. Diversity is our strength. Students, we have already learnt what is meant by diversity in introduction. To live with different caste, religion and sect is to experience coexistence. Coexistence helps to increase the level of understanding among the people. After all, it acquaints us with each other's traditions, customs and ways of life, right? We learn to respect each other's way of life. We even adopt certain traditions from others. This helps to increase the feeling of unity in the society. This social unity helps us to face many natural and social calamities together. The principle of secularism. Secularism means giving equal opportunity to all religions. Let me repeat that. Secularism means giving equal opportunity to all religions. Clear? Indian society consists of people with different religions. Our constitution has made important provisions to ensure that all religious communities will have the freedom to worship according to their faith and to help develop a feeling of mutual understanding. India is an important secular nation of the world. We have great linguistic and religious diversity in our country. In order to preserve this diversity in a sound and healthy manner, we have accepted the principle of secularism. Accordingly, no religion is recognized as the religion of our country. Every person has the freedom of worship as per their religion or the religion of their choice. There can be no discrimination among people on the basis of their religion. The people of all religions are treated equally by the state. Opportunities for education, means of livelihood, and government jobs are made available to all. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion. There are special provisions in the Constitution for the protection of religious and linguistic minorities. Minorities are free to protect and preserve their linguistic and cultural identities. They are also free to bring about the development of their own communities through education. The principle of secularism has helped to maintain religious harmony in Indian society. The contribution of society to our development. As we grow up, we learn many different things. From those things we develop our habits. That decides our likes and dislikes. Gradually, our thinking becomes more firm. This is called our upbringing. Society plays a very important role in upbringing. What do we learn by living in a society? What values, qualities do we imbibe? Let us see how society helps to develop our personality. Cooperation. Nothing can be done without cooperation. All societies are based on mutual cooperation between individuals and the community. The very existence of the society depends on the cooperation between individuals. For existence of society, cooperation is important. So what is this cooperation? Cooperation is the process of sharing of things, thoughts, and helping each other in solving problems and removing difficulties. Do you help and get along with your family? A family cannot remain together without an attitude of cooperation among its members. The same is true of society. Lack of cooperation hampers our progress. Day-to-day life will also not run smoothly. Cooperation makes interdependence in society healthier and allows inclusion of everybody in the society. It is a process of inclusion and of moving ahead, taking along all sections of society. An opportunity to perform different roles. In society, we play different roles. Each individual has several roles, and the responsibilities and duties of every role are well defined. While playing these roles at home and outside, we form bonds with many people. However, changes may occur in the parts we play. Regulation of society. To maintain discipline in school, there are some rules and regulations in school, right? Like that, in order that society functions smoothly, some rules are required. In ancient times, society was mostly regulated with the help of traditions. But in modern times, along with traditions, laws are needed. Law is different from traditions and customs. The regulation of society through laws and traditions is carried out by different organizations and institutions. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the process of regulation of society.